The attention-grabbing feature of this 1969 Chevy Camaro restomed by Oklahoma tuner Finale Speed is its use of exposed weave carbon fiber in the body, adding to the allure of the already captivating classic. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, this Camaro packs a serious punch with a potent V8 engine underneath. Under the hood, Finale Speed installed a GM LT4 crate V8, complemented by a Wegner pulley system, GM fuel management setup, and a VaporWorks fuel pump, with additional enhancements such as a custom stainless steel exhaust, new battery, ignition, and electrical harness. The modified Camaro boasts an impressive 650 bhp, far surpassing the power output of the original 1969 Camaro, paired with a proper 6-speed manual gearbox, a limited slip differential, and new axles. The Camaro's performance is further enhanced with new front and rear subframes, oversized sway bars, and JRI coilovers. Virtually everything has been upgraded, including the 18-inch forge-line 3-piece wheels concealing wheelwood calipers and cross-drilled vented discs. Despite the comprehensive modifications, the exterior retains the iconic Camaro appearance. The body of the car is entirely constructed from carbon fiber, meticulously engineered to OE specifications using prepreg autoclave cured material, ensuring a perfect balance of lightness and strength. The carbon fiber exterior is treated with a clear finish, showcasing the intricate weave and complemented by LED lights, flush-mounted glass, and billet hinges and handles, resulting in a truly spectacular finish. The interior of the Camaro continues the theme of sophistication, featuring new front seats, an abundance of Alcantara, a 4-point roll bar, and an Alpine stereo system with multiple speakers and a subwoofer. However, the true symphony comes to life when the powerful V8 engine roars, tempting the driver to forego the audio system and revel in the captivating sound of this exceptional restomed.